Most people don't realize this until it's too late. You are not guaranteed tomorrow. And if you live every day just surviving, scrolling, complaining, chasing things that don't matter, you are already wasting your life.
I'm Sona. Welcome back to Book Sparks.
Viktor Frankl, a psychiatrist who survived the horrors of Nazi concentration camps, saw people stripped of everything: family, health, freedom. And yet, some still lived with hope, with dignity, with purpose. What kept them alive? Not strength, not luck, but meaning. And if meaning can give hope in a concentration camp, it can save your life from being wasted. Frankel's book, Man's Search for Meaning, isn't just history, it's a guide for us today. He discovered how to turn suffering to strength, emptiness into purpose, and time into something worth living. Let's break it down. Let's talk about the main content of the book. Number one, life has pain, but you choose the meaning. Frankl said suffering is part of life. You can't avoid pain. Instead of asking, why me? Ask, what can I do now? Number two, the power of a why. Your why is your reason to keep going. Without it, life feels empty. With a why, even struggles push you forward. Number three, where meaning comes from. Frankl showed three main sources of meaning: work, love, attitude. What about work? Doing something that matters. What about love? Caring deeply for others. And about attitude, staying strong and dignified, even life is unfair. If you ignore these, life feels wasted. If you live them, every day has a purpose. Frankl said everything can be taken, even one thing: your freedom to choose your attitude. No matter what happens, you control your response. That's the real power. If I want to have a takeaway from this book, I say don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't waste your time on things that won't matter in 5 years. Find your why, love deeply, create boldly, and rise even in suffering. That's what it means to really live. And remember, the greatest waste is not failure, it's living without purpose. If this helped you, please subscribe Book Sparks, and I will see you in the next.